All right, good morning, everyone. It is 10:46 in the morning of Monday, August 30th, 2021, and today I get to do a $539 recap. So let's see, and I traded AFRM and I took a stab at NURO. So let's just kind of go over it here. So AFRM. AFRM gave the first trade I took on the AFRM was on only 100 shares. Right here at the open. And so what AFRM did this morning, let me go to the 1 minute chart. It's a little bit easier to see. All right, there we go. So this morning on the 1 minute chart, AFRM opened up at $96.24, dipped down below $96.24, and then ran back up above it again. So I bought the opening price or close to it. I can't remember exactly the price where I bought it. I tried to buy it as soon as it was clicking. I tried to click in as soon as it was going back over $96.24. I wound up getting 94 cents on it per share here. 94 cents per share. So let's see. It went up to a high here of 99 right here. So let's see, from 96.26 to 99, I got a roughly one third of that move. And I'm pretty sure I bought and sold probably within this opening candle. I didn't mark it off. I should have marked off where I bought and sold. So my next trade on AFRM was for only 100 shares right here. I was looking for it to get down to $90.90. That was the first level of support other than the open that I saw on the chart. And it's right here. Let's see. Right here, there were these supporting tails right here. And so then price got down into this area again, but it couldn't go lower. And I saw a bunch of buying getting started on this candle right here. So I bought on that candle at $92.24 is where I bought. So let's see, 94. Let me see if I can, 94, there we go. Let me take off the Fibonacci. I didn't use the Fibonacci today. So right here at $92.24, I bought into AFRM again. And the reason that I did that is because here are two bottoming tails right here. That means there's price support in this area. And then, let's see actually with the bottom, this would be coincidence. I don't know if, well, I was, yeah, 92.28 is the bottom of that candle. That's just coincidence. And so what I was taking a risk on was that it would turn around and start going the other direction because there's price support over here, and then I saw buyers coming in here, and the risk was that it would break down to pass these tail candles, past this support right here. It would break down past that, and then maybe find support at $90.90. So I only bought 100 shares right here in anticipation of it going up, or in anticipation of it coming back down to $90.90, and that being another entry level for me for another 100 shares. So, it was kind of like, the juice is worth the squeeze. The risk reward ratio was there. The possibility of making a pretty good return on this was there, and this was nice because. So I bought it at 92.24, and I was like, well, where's the next resistance spot? Where's the next spot there the stock will hit resistance? And it's the opening price. It's pretty obvious at 96.24. So I caught, I think, all of that move from, let's see, $4.90, yeah, or $4.09. So I caught $4, a $4.09 move. I sold after it crossed $9.24. I'm sorry, after it crossed $96.24, I sold those 100 shares right here, for $400 profit. So it's kind of like, all right. And then I sat back and I watched this thing again for a while, and I was looking for another opportunity for it to run up and test its opening price, which it did again, but I let the stock go because of, so I bought right here in this candle, and I don't remember the price that I bought for. I think it was at $95 roughly, like roughly 95. Yeah, actually right there at the top of this candle. Yeah, at the close of this candle, when this candle closed out, I bought it at $95 for a push higher, and it looked like it was going to start working. You see this candle right here started running up. It ran up to a little around $95.60, and I went in with 200 shares on this one. So I was willing to take a little bit more risk, although I shouldn't have, because I didn't have as much confidence in this trade. But I only took I took 200 shares instead of 100 shares. So on this last trade right here, you can see I made 23, about $30, right, on those 200 shares. So, and I let it go. This candle, it started falling down close to, it started falling down again right here on this candle. And I just wasn't willing to hold it because I didn't have a high degree of confidence. What I wanted to see it do was come through and break this downtrend line right here, and then have a nice run up to the pre-market highs. But it's just not doing it. There's a difference. You can tell when the level 2 is really running through prices, like really there's a lot of buying and charging up in price, and buyers are jumping in, and there are no sellers left, then price really starts to run. But this stock isn't going to do that. And the reason this stock isn't going to do that is because it has 264 million shares outstanding. There are an enormous number of participants in this stock, and seeing it run in one day up to its previous all-time high is 146.90. It's about to cross its opening price again, and it IPO'd here on the 13th of January. So the 6-month lockup is over with. This stock, I mean, it could continue to rally today. I doubt it, though. I think I'm done trading it for today. And actually, let me get rid of a bunch of these levels here. They're kind of in the way. It's hard to see. We'll get rid of the Fibonacci too. It's trying to make a red to green move again. It's trying to go 96.24 is the opening price. Let me get rid of 91.74. I don't remember where that came from. All right, well, it's breaking $96.24 again. We'll put 96.24 back up. It's and actually, this is actually a pretty bullish setup right here. So what you have is kind of, let's go to this price right here. Kind of have an upward wedge right here. So it's working on having a big breakout, actually. It might fail, though. It might make it, and it might fail. It's doing its best here. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know what the real, true upper resistance is going to be. I don't know where that line is. Let's try this right. Oh, no, failed. Fail. Yeah, it's after 10:30. Things just don't get. That was a brutal little drop right there. Really rough little drop. Looks like there were buyers there to buy it up, though. No, not really. All right, yeah, I'm out. I'm done trading it. It's taken up enough of my time today, and I've made my money on it. So, yay. All right, and then what else? I tried. I think NURO. Did I already go over this one? No, I haven't gone over it. NURO. So I started going back, and I don't think I had these levels on this morning on NURO. Oh no, yeah, I did. I put these levels on this morning. There was this level that I got from somewhere at $14.80, and on this candle right here, it actually did make a pretty decent move. This is the 10-minute chart. Let me go to the 1-minute chart. I bought it, and it's strange. I bought it $15. It says the high is $14.90 and the low is $14.85. But I bought at $9:43 in the morning at $15 even. And then I sold again at $15 even. And I think it was between 9:44 and 9. Yeah, this thing, and if you look at the bottom of here, you can see 9:44 and it pops over to 9:47. I don't know why TradingView does this, but it starts skipping time. It like there were a whole bunch of trades that happened between 9:44 and 9:47. Well, anyway, I got out essentially break even at, let's see, on 300 shares on NURO, and my realized P&L was about $6 on 300 shares, which comes out to, I don't know, is that 5 cents? I don't know. Not much, no, not even 5 cents. $6 on 300, whatever. It wasn't really worth getting into. There's no trade there really. So got in, got out, left it alone. Now I did attempt this morning. So this morning, what is this level from? Oh, that's a level from a previous day. So okay, this level, this is a level that was a close from a couple days ago. It'll be easier if I pull it up on the 1 day. So $36.84 right here. That was a previous open. That was the Friday's open at $38.64. And so a move over $38.64 would be an opportunity to be bullish for a trade. And it did it, and it did it fast. So as soon as it crossed $39.98, I had an order ready to go. Let's see if my size is still in. Yeah, for 300 shares. I had an order ready to go for 300 shares. Wait. No, SPRT. I had an order ready to go for 100 shares on SPRT. Yeah, this one was pretty sketchy. This stock, it's made some pretty sketchy moves. It's tough to trade. This is a tough stock to trade. The gaps, or I'm sorry, the spreads right now aren't too bad. Well, actually, just opened up to 45 cents, 35 cents spread. 37.66 on the bid and 38 even on the ask. So, yeah, the spreads on this thing are big, and the motion is choppy, and the support levels aren't obvious. You know, like it bottomed down here at $34.54. It's like, where do you get that level from? You know, where's $34.54? I don't know. It's just weird. So anyway, I had an order ready to go at $40.05 for a break of $39.98. And as soon as it broke, I hit the button, but it shot up. The bid shot up to like $41, and the ask shot up to $42 right after it broke. I mean, I clicked the button, but I couldn't get in. And then no sooner did I cancel out. I canceled out of the order pretty quickly. It just dropped right back down again. It ran up. You know, it broke that $39.98, and then I guess everybody that had gotten in for a break of 39.98 right there, this morning pivot right here, everybody sold. So I tried to trade SPRT this morning, but I couldn't get in. I didn't get filled on my order. So yeah, that's pretty much the day. That's Airbnb. Let's take a look at Airbnb real quick. Airbnb really made a really nice move this morning, and I wasn't paying enough attention to it because I had these levels mapped out at 147 and 163, and I didn't think to consider the opening price as support. I didn't think to consider trading this for the opening run. So I didn't trade it. I wasn't watching it for the sort of the opening run. Dips down below its open, it comes back up and then runs back up above its open there. So let's see, its open was 152.15, and its low right here is 152.20, and then it took off. So I missed out on this trade, and then later on in the morning there, 9:40 in the morning, it came down to test its open and just really found a lot of support there. So I'm gonna have to keep a closer eye on Airbnb. The next time I trade Airbnb, I'll have to track its open and see what it does at its open and so forth. But I did that on AFRM though. So it's kind of hard to keep track of more than one stock at a time for these fast trades, for these tests of the opening price and so forth. But Airbnb was one that I definitely could have come back to for a test of the open right there. All right, everybody. The broader market actually is doing really well. Let's see what the VIX is doing. Looking forward to the VIX breaking down below this support level here. And the SPY is just going to really take off. It'll probably happen in an overnight session. Bitcoin's pulling back just a tad here. There could be a period of consolidation, sort of a downward consolidation kind of thing, and then another move up. We'll see what happens. There's no reason to be bearish Bitcoin though. This is a bullish setup. It is bullish. It's just look for good opportunities to go long. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's going to be my day. I'm going to call it a day here. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Click like, share, subscribe. Keep your risk tight. Leave a comment. Tap the bell. I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.